What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing a $5,000 laced up Hypebeast mystery box. Now, if you guys don't know, I've done a few different mystery boxes with laced up previously. They have all kinds of tiers. The most expensive one I did was $10,000. I've done them all the way down to like $100. Now, they're very reputable with the stuff that they put in there. They have a lot of good quality stuff, and they actually do have a decent value buying these mystery boxes to make money on them, like on sellable value. Now, this one's a little bit different because this is going to be a little bit smaller sizes. So typically when I do these mystery boxes, it'll be my size in like a large, extra large. The shoes will be at around 11. Well, I wanted to do one where the items inside were a little bit smaller sizes, maybe if I have some viewers that are small or medium. So when I sell them, because if you guys don't know, when I buy these boxes, 90% of the items on the inside I end up selling to make the money back for the video. So for this one, I wanted to kind of reach out to that market of the people with smaller size, maybe small, medium. Sneakers will be a little bit smaller too, maybe some bae sizes for some of the girls that are watching this video. I'm actually gonna have my fiance come in and see if she wants any of the things from this box as well. So you'll see at the end of this video. And if you guys didn't notice, we are in the new studio right now. This is the Harrisonnevel studio part 4, I guess. This is the new and improved setup. We moved into a bigger space. I know we were just moved about a couple months ago, but we outgrew that space so quickly, so we're in the new studio now. We've got one set up here already in a day. We're gonna have another one over there. We're gonna have 4 sets total. I'm very excited to see. So this is the new studio. We'll be seeing a little bit more of that as the weeks progress. If you guys didn't watch my last video, we're doing a massive sneaker giveaway for back to school. Go ahead and watch that video in the description down below. You'll go see the rules on that video. All it is you have to subscribe to the channel and you have to comment on that video, your Instagram and your shoe size, so check it out down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this box from Laced Up. Now, Laced Up, again, they're not sponsoring this video, but they do show love on these boxes to give a little bit of a discount. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna show you guys a quick preview with some sweet B-roll of what's in here. If you don't want to see a preview or any B-roll of what's inside the box, click this time right here. Let's go. Alright guys, we're ready to open up. Not sure why I sit on this table while I do this, but it just seems to be the most comfortable. Let's chop this boy open. Alright, they always put a bunch of like spray and stuff on the outside, which makes for a good thumbnail because it's all covered up. But this is a heavy box. This has to be, shoot, I don't know, listen, 38 pounds. What we got, we're gonna give you guys a little, oh wait, we don't even have to worry about giving you a preview because look, Laced Up nicely wraps everything. So this is what it looks like right here. Look at that. So for the most part, what I'm thinking is this is gonna be like bae sizes for these things. So maybe like smalls, extra smalls. If there's any shoes, they'll probably be like 5 to 7, I would guess. Maybe some mediums. I'm not sure kind of where the deciphers. I just thought it'd be interesting to see what it's like. So some of this stuff might fit you if you're a guy, if you want to buy it off my website. Like if it's a size small, it's universal. Like girl and a boy can wear it. It doesn't really matter. So we'll start off first with, let's see what we got here. I don't know what to pick over. Let's see what we go for. Let's go for this right here. This feels like a nice little t-shirt or hoodie or something like that. The first thing that we have is a pre-owned Supreme Undercover Hands hoodie, size medium, and they had this at $650. Wow. I did not even know that this thing was going for 650 bucks. Now, I'll probably say the value that I get it at, so stores that sell a little bit higher value. The value of this, I'd probably have it around 500 to 550 bucks. But we have a nice hoodie right there. Ooh, the back says Undercover Supreme. And wonder if this is a new, I can't remember when this came out. This actually has side zips too. This has to be older. This is like that Jerry Lorenzo back in the day. Dang, look at that. You got the side zips there. That's a pretty dope hoodie in a size medium. So let's keep moving and see what we got here. We have a Laced Up bag. Shout out Laced Up, they sent that out. Just a nice little shoulder bag by them. Maybe we'll do a giveaway or something with that. Next up we have a Antisocial Social Club Get Weird long sleeve black. Size small in black. I don't have much Antisocial Social Club. It's just a little bit, I just don't really pay attention to their drops and whatnot, but this is a nice, like, that's definitely a base size shirt. It says Antisocial Social Club on the back as well, and then it has some sort of writing that says Get Weird on the side. Alrighty, let's go to the next piece. We have a bape t-shirt. Oh, we got 2 bape shirts here. Laced Up is always coming with the bape tees in a size medium. Got that nice multicolored bape right there. Bunch of different colors. Busy Works in the size medium. Bape sizes are pretty small too, so hopefully he's throwing something for me that I can, you know, wear, but we'll see if my fiance likes any of this. Then we have another bape tee in a size medium. This is a camo 8 head. I think I've had this shirt before. The one thing about this wrapping is it makes it pretty loud, so it's like hard to do it on video, but we have a Laced Up t-shirt right there along with that bag. Those might be some giveaway items. Next up, we have some more bape bape tees. We have size medium in the, ooh, this is a ape bape shirt. So it's got both the little ape on it and then the bape ape. And then, ooh, this is a Bapesta tee. This is actually pretty dope. Size medium Bapesta tee. Check that out. You got the Bapesta star right there. If you guys don't know the Bapesta shoes, in the back it says a bathing ape on the bottom. We're racking up about 4 bape shirts, intersocial shirt, undercover hoodie. Then we have right here a Supreme. Ooh, this is like a Supreme New York embroidered tee, brand new in a size medium. This is the gradient logo tee. That's pretty cool right there, actually. Honestly, this could fit me. This is like a little bit, this is a big medium. Check that out. Pretty dope tee. Got that embroidered gradient on there. Might add some of this stuff to these shelves right here. I think that could be cool to kind of. All right, we got it all up there. Just a nice little presentation as we go along. Let's see, I see a box down here. It might be some sneakers. I think I want to jump into that. They nicely wrap all of this stuff. Let's see what we got. We have a, wait, no. Why did I not get these in my own mystery, like for my sizes? Oh no, oh my gosh. I'm freaking jealous. Oh my gosh. A men's 6, women's 7.5, 7.5. This is the Vapor Max Cactus Plant Flea Market. Oh my gosh, these are so sick. The only place I've seen these is in New York at Stadium Goods. Check these out. Oh, these are so hard to come by in my size. They're like $1,000, $1,200 or something. Check those out. You got the multicolored Vapor Max. You got the freaking extended swoosh. That is absolutely insane. Oh my gosh, I wish these were my size. I'm freaking jealous. They had them for $550. Yeah, my size is literally like $1,200. So if you have that smaller size, this is like an easy cop. You got the smiley face in the back. Dang, I'm jealous. These are so, I wish this was a male release. I have to get like a women's size 12 in order to fit my own. We got one sneaker there. Let's continue to see what we got. I see another sneaker. Looks like a Yeezy down there. I'll wait for that. We have 2 more bape shirts here. We have a bape tee in a size medium. I think that one's a size medium as well. This one out, as you can see, got the green camo right there. A bathing ape, one of the classic logos. Then we have another one where it's got the writing written out in the bape camo as well. That would fit high school Harrison. And then let's see what else we got. I have 2 more size small bape tees. They're both the same, one in black and one in white. So I'll pull this out and show you guys. Each of these tees, typically I get around 80 to 100 bucks for. See there, got the nice ape head. We have another one in black. I won't open that one up since we just saw the same one. Let's see what else we got. I kind of want to pull out these Yeezys, but kind of don't. Let's see. Have an NBA Elite headband. Oh, this is the Supreme NBA headband right there. This was 100 bucks. This is a unisex, one size fits most. That's pretty small though. So you got the NBA headband right there. I actually have not had any items from that yet. Got an ape long sleeve. So ape is like the cheaper version of bape, I believe. Pull this out right there. It's a nice little small embroidered a bathing ape down the side. You know what I might do? I might leave some of this stuff for my fiance to unbox, but we'll keep it moving now. Whoa, what is this? Bape tumbler in the green camo. And then we have, what is that? Another headband, but this is a blue bape headband right here. Check that out. All right, guys, now we're in tripod mode. We're gonna go ahead and continue on and see what we got. I kind of want to go, maybe there's a few sneakers in here, so let's go for this one right here. Jordan 1. Pull this bad boy up. My fiance loves Jordan 1s, and this is a size 5.5, so this is her size, retail 120 in the black crimson tint. Ooh, yes, this is one that she might actually like. Check that out. It looks like it might be used. Nice like pink and black colorway. She really likes that like faint pink color. I actually just got her a pair of Air Max 97. This is a size 5.5 pre-owned for 150 is what they had it at. So probably worth around retail after the used. Nice little pair right there. We'll have to let her see these ones. Let's see. We got some more shoes. I see a Yeezy. There's another shoe box. We have a massive box. I literally do not know what that could be. That is a massive box. Got some more clothing. Let's see, we'll pull out some clothing. We have some Supreme North Face it looks like right here. Supreme North Face in a size medium. This is that button down like snake skin jacket, but it's like a water repellent material. Pretty cool right there. I think I got this in black before. I think I've had this in black. Supreme North Face is always a nice pickup. What else? We got some more tees. Let's go for some more shoes. It looks like we have a off-white mercurial Zoom Fly right here. We have a size 6 Zoom Mercurial in the black colorway. Ooh, dang, they had these at 500 bucks. If you guys don't remember, the orange ones, that's like my favorite. I got them for like $230, but I guess in the women's sizes, smaller sizes, they are a little bit more expensive. Check that out, you got that nice little bag there. This is like a soccer inspired shoe. Kind of made it up there. And then let's see, we got like big hoodies, a big box. We got a, what is this? This is like a blue, ooh, whoa. I don't think I've ever gotten a piece of this in a mystery box. This is a Stone Island, Supreme Stone Island. Dang, let's see what we got. Yeah, this is a Supreme Stone Island hoodie. What size is this? This is a size medium. They had it at $3.50, pre-owned. I've actually never gotten a piece of Supreme Stone Island in a mystery box, so that's pretty cool. Stone Island is a really high quality company when it comes to making like jackets and things like that. That collab is really cool. Continuing on, more clothes. What is this? This feels like a backpack or something. Bape summer bag. We have a, whoa, this is like multiple things. So you have, oh, this is like a whole kit. You have a Bape hat right there. Then it comes with the Bape shoulder bag, I guess. This is just like a nice little utility bag, but it feels full. Oh, it is. Whoa, what is this? This is like a goodie bag, little varsity thing. We have a tee in a size medium, just looks like a plain Bape tee. We have a pair of Bape shorts in gray, and then a Bape jacket. That's like the full fit right there. Check that out, like the blue. That's really cool. Got the nice Bape, kind of like track jacket, coach's jacket. That's actually a pretty clean jacket. It doesn't scream Bape too much. All right, I'm like very interested to see what this is, but I don't want to open it yet. Check this box out. This is a massive. I see a little logo there, it says Balenciaga. I'm not opening that. I don't think in a Hypebeast mystery box, we've never gotten Balenciaga. In the designer ones, we have. Let's keep moving. Another ASSC shirt, size small. Nice little red, gold, and brown. That seems like some sort of flag or something, ASSC. That's actually a pretty clean logo. I like that better than their like classic logo. Then we have a Supreme Diamond tee. The Diamond S in a size medium. It's like the blue tee. Then, let's see, we got one, two, got a couple more items. I'll show you guys right here. Right there. We got a, it looks like a, this is probably a Supreme water bottle. Yep, that red Supreme water bottle. A Sig Traveler bottle. Pretty cool piece right there. I like having stuff like that for like a show. We have a tee here, Supreme Cupid tee, size medium, 200 bucks. You guys know they had that like porcelain Cupid thing that came out. That was like $5 grand. This is the tee for it. I like this burnt orange though, it's kind of cool. Now the Supreme tee, let's go for these shoes right here. This is a pair of Yeezy 500 in a size 6, utility black. I'd be really interested to see if Sophie likes these. I want her to try these on. She has never worn a pair of Yeezys. She loves the Turtle Doves, the originals, but I'm not spending $1,500. These are the utility black. Look like, they might be, they look pre-owned, yeah. Pre-owned size 6, these might fit her, so I'm gonna actually see if she wants to try these on because this is a cool, nice little colorway. And it's like a very simple silhouette of a shoe. I don't think she'll like them, but we're gonna make her try them on. Let's see, we have another hoodie. Ooh, dang, we got the heater right here. We got the Supreme box logo hoodie in navy. Pre-owned box logo navy, small, 800 bucks. Dang, that is the ultimate hype bait right there. You can flex on your man a little bit harder with this right there. What do you guys like better? The tonal, like Supreme box logos or the ones that like pop out with like the red or something? So we got 3 more things. Looks like we have, we have a COS Uniqlo tee. These aren't going for a crazy amount. They had it at 60 bucks. See right there, this is a nice cool little collab. T-shirts ended up retailing like 15 bucks, so it was a really accessible collab. One more tee, and then we have the Balenciaga. I believe this is a t-shirt. We have a laced up tee right there, another giveaway item. And then lastly, let's pull out the Balenciaga. This is really heavy. If I had to guess, these might be those chunky dad shoes. This is like Christmas morning, even though it's not for me. These are from Barney's, New York, retail at 895 bucks. Let's see what these are. This box is massive. Where they at? Ooh, of the Balenciaga Speed Trainers. What size are these? In a size 6, 800 bucks. These are literally so heavy. These are brand new as well. Dang. Sophie's going to look hilarious in these. We're gonna have to try these on with her. So let's go ahead and pick out a few items for her to come and try on whenever she comes to the studio. See what she thinks. This is gonna be funny because she does not wear anything hype. Like she's doesn't at all. All right guys, we're back here with the fiance now. She's in the studio. It is her turn to look through Harrison Nevel's mystery box store. She gets a chance to go ahead, look through, see what she likes. Then we're gonna have her try some stuff on because, you know, I don't know if she's gonna like any of these, but I think there's one that I think she's gonna like. Is gonna be these crimson Jordan 1s right there because that's the only Jordan she's ever worn is a 1. But I'm gonna let her pick some stuff out, see if she likes anything. She can keep what she picks if she can answer this one question. What is the best sneaker cleaning company in the game? I plug them all the time.
Wait, I know it.
You can get one hint. It is, you can get one hint.
Rejuvenator!
As you look at the thing that's over there.
Wait, can we redo that?
No. Code Harrison on rejuvenator.com. Secret cleaning products, that's what you need. So go ahead, look at some of this stuff.
What am I looking at?
I'm gonna have her try these on. Feel these.
Why is this so heavy?
It is so heavy. That's your size though.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, these are Balenci.
Yeah.
I wish they were white. I would totally keep them.
800 bucks.
Yeah. My initial thoughts are that they're very comfortable.
Yeah, they actually don't look that bad on you. It's that bulk.
Did you think they were gonna look bad on me?
Yeah.
Excuse me?
I have put on a pair of those twice, and they were so heavy heavy when I was walking. I feel like I could not actually walk in them. Maybe I have chicken legs and that's why, and she works out, but
yeah, so these I do not recommend wearing with all black.
They don't look that bad on you. Those look bad, they look horrible on me. They do not look bad on her. One of the first gifts that I got her when we first started dating was a pair of Jordan 1 Royals, and they're a grade school size.
My heart.
She has worn them collectively 2 times in 3 years. So why she wants another Jordan 1? I know she's probably gonna want to keep these, but she's not gonna wear them. So
can I take this out and put them on?
All right, would you actually wear these?
Did you get that on camera?
Yes, I did.
Oh, I love them.
Jordan year for her birthday. She just turned 23, so you gonna wear these?
We love a Jordan moment.
All right, is there anything else on here that interests you or no?
Yeah, I like this color.
All right, well, she did not really find anything but these Jordans that she likes out of this mystery box, but...
Well, and the
Balenciaga. These don't look bad on other people. I personally don't think they look good on me because my legs are so skinny, but she also doesn't like this colorway, the blue. She said if they're white, she'd probably like them. All right, that's gonna be it from Sophie.
Bye, guys.
I'm gonna right now go ahead and put everything on the table, round up the values. I got the whole value, let you guys know what we're coming out with, how much we're making, if we lost anything, which we didn't. All right, see you in a sec. All right, so I just added everything up from the box. We had 15 total t-shirts, 5 jackets and hoodies. We had 2 water bottles, we had 2 headbands, and we had 5 shoes as well as like a shoulder bag. The total came out to right over $5,900, about $5,950 roughly. It'll be exactly up on the screen. So a profit margin of like actually selling the stuff at $1,000. Now, Lace Up's always been good about the values on these different boxes and knowing where to value things. So this is one of like the better ones in my opinion. They have the $100 boxes. I've shown you guys, you can buy all different kinds of tiers. Now for these, Sophie is going to be keeping these. She really likes these, but she did not like anything else. So I'm gonna be listing a couple of these things up on my website. Some of them I'm gonna see if any of my friends want them before I go and list them at the website, but if you guys want to see any of this stuff on there, I'll be listing it up. That is harrisonnevel.com, and as you guys saw earlier, if you want your Rejuvenator products, use code Harrison on rejuvenator.com, get 10% off your order. So I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below. We have a lot of back to school content coming soon because you guys seem to love that last one. So I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison, signing out.